Hi everyone, I'm Scott from Sharky's Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer. Today we're going to be looking at trimming your petunia hanging baskets. And we've covered this before, but I want to address one of these questions that we keep getting time and time again during the summer and late summer. So we've addressed why you should trim your petunia hanging baskets, and there's two reasons. I'm just going to hit this real quickly because we have a whole video on it. And the two reasons for trimming your petunias is because we want to either control growth or we want to promote growth. So somewhere in those two categories is a good reason to trim petunias. But when we fast forward from spring, and that's usually in the springtime, when we get into the summer, and especially the late summer, and I've been getting these questions a lot, it's late summer for us right now. And somebody says, hey, how many times throughout the summer should I be trimming back my hanging baskets? And I'm like, once. You should just be doing it one time in the spring to really maybe promote that growth, or if it's kind of growing crazy, you might want to go through and trim it up just to kind of control it a little bit. But if you're in summer and your petunia baskets don't look amazing, if your neighbors are not just absolutely dropping their jaw or stopping and say, oh my goodness, those are so beautiful, what are you doing? If that's not happening for you and you're like trimming your baskets back 2, 3 times, 4 times throughout the summer, something's wrong. So that's where we have to say time out. Something's wrong. We need to find out what's wrong. And you know, we talk a lot about there can be a million different things going on with that hanging basket that's wrong, but we come down to 3 things that we always address, and that's good soil, good care, and good fertilizer. Somewhere in there, something's off. If your hanging baskets don't look absolutely amazing during the summer and beyond, something's wrong, and you need to take a good hard look, stop, time out, fix the problem, because you should not be coming along in late summer or fall and saying, gee, I think I need to trim back my hanging basket yet again. Something's wrong, and you need to address the actual problem and fix it so that you can move on and have beautiful hanging baskets from July all the way through till they freeze in the late fall or early winter. These petunias can take down to 26 degrees. So you should have beautiful hanging baskets all summer, most of the fall. And that's what we want to address, is you shouldn't be trimming these up. Your petunia baskets should look amazing. Now, there can be a reason for trimming your hanging basket, and we have one of them here, but it's a different reason than what you think. So these hanging baskets get in the way of our kitchen window that's right here. So we have to trim them so we can still see out of our kitchen window. So that might be a reason, but going back to, it should not be because they're real straggly and looking horrible. If you're into that summertime and your hanging baskets don't look awesome, something's wrong. You gotta check that out and figure out what's wrong with them. If you're liking our videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then be sure to head on over to our beatyourneighbor.com website, where we have more videos, we have our blog articles, and of course we have our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. That's all over at beatyourneighbor.com. You can check that out there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.